In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a credit note in Xero. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to find the credit note. So go to Sales over here and then Invoices. And then in here, you want to find your credit note. So you can basically find it because it usually starts with CN over here and it's yellow over here. It has like a yellow sign. So you first want to click on that specific credit note, for example, this one over here. And then if you want to delete it, you want to go to the top right over here. You want to click on the three dots, and then over here, you'll be able to delete it. Okay, so as you can see right now, this one has been sent and paid, so I can't actually manage this one, of course. But if some of them are drafts, so for example, this one is a draft, I can click on it over here, and you'll be able to see that I can go to the top right over here, and I'll be able to click on the three dots and delete that specific credit note, confirm it by clicking delete over here, and that's essentially it. Okay, so the status must be draft over here, and if it's like awaiting payment or paid or something like that, then usually you won't be able to delete it. Okay, but of course, if it's still a draft, then you can easily delete it and remove it that way. Now, sometimes you're going to be given an option to actually void it, which is going to be pretty much the closest thing to deleting you can do. Okay, and all of the options are available whenever you click on a specific one, and then you click on the three dots top right, and if the option is available, you'll see it in here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.